Hello everyone, welcome to this new part in chair modeling tutorial. So in this part we will apply the lattice modifier and give our chair some curviness. As you see here in the 2D drawings that this part of the chair are curved. So to do that we need to do some things after applying the lattice modifier. First of all, I need to enter the edit mode of this back and seat and give these parts some subdivision level. So I need to give it 5 subdivision and the bottom part 5 subdivision also, like this. Now I need to apply all these modifiers. I will apply the mirror modifier, the bevel modifier, and the second bevel modifier. As you see here, when we apply all these step, we have this blue colors in the edges. If you want to delete it, you are free. If you want to keep it, you are free. For me, I will delete it, so I will select all and make the bevel weight 0. Also, I will clear sharp. So when you clear sharp, you will see that you have a miss shading. So to correct this, you need to apply a second time weighted normal to resolve this problem and click apply. Now I need to convert these curves to mesh, so select it and convert to mesh. Also this convert to mesh. Also this seat, I need to delete these 2 bevels and apply these 2 modifiers. And also for this back, I need to delete these 2 bevels and apply mirror modifier and solidify modifier. Also for the seat, I need to apply all these modifier like this and apply the weighted modifier, but in this case I missed this part in the bottom of the chair, so I need to edit. So put your cursor in this area and add the new cube, Shift A cube, and rescale it like this to be in this shape and scale it in the global axis. So I will rescale it in the y-axis like this, maybe in the z-axis, and I need to rotate it like this. Also I need it to be snapped to this face of the leg, so I need to make this snap tool to edge, and without enable it like this, I will click G and x-axis and click Control to enable the snap mode. Now I need to enter the edit mode and delete some faces because I don't need it. So I will delete this face and delete this face like this, and I will return to the object mode or the solid mode and select these edges and snap it to this face. So I will snap it with clicking on Control. And now I need to add some details. So I will first apply scale to not having problem when I want to apply bevel modifier or some bevel manually. So I will enter the edit mode and select these edges like this and give it a bevel modifier or manual bevel like this. Now I need to give it a bevel to make these angles beveled with the angle limit method. So I need to decrease the amount to 0.01 and make the segment 3. Also I will give it shade smooth and auto smooth and apply maybe a weighted normal to have better shading. So now I need to unwrap it. So unwrap it like this, select this edge and mark seam and then select all and unwrap. Now I can apply my bevel, then bevel modifier, then I need to give it a texture. I wait for my shaders to be compilated and I will give it the same shader as the leg. So I will select it first, then the leg in the second, and Control L, then link materials to give it a material. So as you see here, the texture is rotated, so I need to go to UV editing and go into edit mode of these parts and rotate it in the Y rotate 90 degree. Then I need to average island scale and pack island and disable the rotation option. So now it's good. So just I need to duplicate it because we have two parts. So Shift D and duplicate it and move it to this area and rotate it to be in this orientation. So like this, we have this part of the chair. I will make sure that I apply all the modifiers. I will apply all the modifiers. So now all the modifiers are applied. So what I will do now, I want to join all these parts together and make it in one shape. So I will select all and click Ctrl G to make it one object like this. As you see here, we have a one shape. So now I need to make this area curved with the using of the lattice modifier. First of all, I need to go to the modifier tab and give it a lattice modifier. And you see here in the lattice modifier that we need an object. This object is a lattice, so I need to go Shift A and lattice. We have a lattice like this. So now I need to make it in the same shape, and I will rescale it to be in the area where I want to make it curved. So like this, I will rescale it like this. Then I want to go to the face side and rescale it here also like this to be in the right shape. As you see here, if I want to move these vertices, I need a vertices in the middle to move this area to be curved. So I need some vertices here, or as usual, an extra loops in the lattice modifier. So I will select my lattice and go to the lattice data properties and give it some subdivision like this. So now if I need to move this, first I need to select this lattice as the object. So I will select this lattice. So first I need to move these vertices. If I move these vertices as usual, as you see here, that everything is moved with this lattice modifier. So to specify this lattice modifier to a certain area of the chair, so we need to work with this vertex group option. So to specify our vertex group, so I need to enter the edit mode of the chair, and I need to select the vertices where the curve is applied. So I will go to the wireframe mode and make sure that the X-ray is enabled. You need to select all these vertices where the curved is applied and the lattice is applied. So to make these vertices as vertex groups, you need to go to the object data properties, and in the vertex group you need to click this plus button and add a new group and click assign. So now if we deselect or select, our vertices will be selected. So now we are in the right way. So we need to apply this vertex group to the vertex group in lattice modifier. So we will select this group. Now if we move the lattice modifier, will be affected just in this area. So now if I move this, you see that just this area is moved. So like this, we finished with all the modeling of the chair. So I need to apply the lattice modifier, apply it like this, and now I can delete this lattice object. So now I can unhide or hide these helpers because I don't need it. And now we finished with the materials and the modeling. Now the next step is very important, which is the lighting. So if you like the video, I hope you like it. If you like the video, subscribe and hit comment if you have any questions, and see you in the next step. Assalamu alaikum.